Hello guys, this is Vicky from Cybertech Bits. In this tutorial, we will be seeing around if-else statements. Okay, let us see. Use the int of integer, int of input. Okay, and b equal to float of input. Let us do if. There are three statements like if, elif, else. If else. No, there is no if else. Okay, only if, elif, else. So if a is equal to b, that is we are comparing the both values. Okay, and let us say print equal. Okay, else in else statement, print not equal. Okay, let us do. I am using 125 and 125.0. It is equal. Suppose let's say 125, 125.0000001. It is not equal. You are seeing the difference, right? That 00001 is. If it is extending around the some values, it will be equal at sometimes. Okay, let's see else if we are using else. Now elif, in elif statement a is greater than b. Okay, print a comma a is okay. Now let us do. Suppose I am having 25. It is 24.9999. The float should not. I had put in using the dot. 125 is greater than these values. It is not getting rounded off. But if we are putting the 999 at some other values also, it will be equal. Let us see the things, because the range differs. It will be showing equal because in Python it is having some stop value, like it should be rounded off when it reaches the point. So it will be rounding off when it reaches some other value of nines, and it will be saying yes, it is equal. Okay, so this is 6. Suppose I am using 124 and 125 means not equal, so it is coming to else. So if, else. So we will be, this is a basic concept. If we use in some other if and all, we will be using more list. If in list types and all, we will be using if, like if there is some everything in the list, it should be append or something, we will be using. So the main basic concept is this. We will be seeing this next in the lists and all. We will be seeing, because we will be using everything before tutorials. We will be using the before tutorials in our next tutorials. Like first I had done just a case statement and I had used the very input. In second, we have been elaborated for a input, and we are being used the int of input, float of input in the if statements, and we will be using this both in the for loop of next. Okay, after that we will be seeing arrays, everything. Okay, so bye.